Hey, welcome to BreitWerks. So we're back under the 74 911 today, and the mission today is these rusty heat boxes or heat control valves. We're going to get those off and replace those. You can see like clamp is broke, so we'll have to do a little digging there, and we're going to get rid of these old shocks. So not only was there fluid leaking out of them, but the shock body is pretty much dead. So far we've broken a couple of bolts free. These guys, I don't know, somebody must put them in with green Loctite, because it took a 4-foot breaker bar to just get them to move. So we're gonna get that stuff out and get a little cleaned up under there and see if we can put some new parts in. All right, we're gonna get after it. So you gotta love when a 3-bolt job turns into a half-day affair. We did get this one in, but as you can see, all 3 studs snapped off, even after soaking for days. So we ended up doing rib nuts and new studs and a little washer with some wavies on. So this guy's in, he ain't going anywhere, he's good. On this side, I would rather not have to do the whole rib nut thing again, so we're using a Dremel, and slowly but surely we got one nut off, and we got 2 more to go. And can't really use heat right here because you've got fuel pump, fuel line, all kinds of stuff out there. So we're just slowly necking away at it. Can't get a nut splitter in there, so luckily we've got some tools that we can machine those off. I'm going to cross my fingers. I'll come back to you when it's done. So, success. All 3 studs are intact. We'll run a die over that one. But, you know, you're into some next level shit when you got 2 Dremels out. And that's how they came off. So, good news. We're gonna put the new one in. All right, so there we have it. We got 2 new shocks and 2 new heat boxes. So let's see, 3, 4, so 8, 12 bolts. Should have taken maybe 3 hours. Nope. But all's well that ends well. That one came out very, very nice. And we did a little cleaning under here while we were there. So out with the old junk. I can't even get those shock absorbers to rebound. And the rusted out, cracked heat boxes, or heater valves, I think Porsche calls them. So, yeah. And if you decide to do this job yourself, God bless you. Number 1, make sure the motor's out. And then there's a plastic seal. There's an OEM plastic gasket that goes between the heat box house and the body. So I'm sure other people have used other things. I think I've seen them in cork before, but now they're plastic, like a plasticky rubber. But I believe we've got almost everything sorted out back here. We're waiting on one more hose, but we may actually be able to put an engine in a car. So thanks for following along. And yeah, these guys will bend down for those of you that are looking at them going, hey, but they'll bend down like that and hook up to the heat exchangers. They're just brand new, so that's why they are like that. But thanks for following along with us, and yeah, have a fantastic day. Check us out at BreitWerks.com.